Welcome to our comprehensive DIY guide on safely removing and installing a car battery. This seemingly simple task can be dangerous if not approached with the right knowledge and precautions. Today, we'll walk you through every step, ensuring you understand how to perform this maintenance safely and efficiently, saving you a trip to the mechanic. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to the final post-installation checks, giving you the confidence to tackle this common automotive job yourself. Before we begin, a critical safety disclaimer. Working with car batteries involves corrosive acid, explosive gases, and high electrical current. Always prioritize your safety. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, chemical-resistant gloves, and old clothes. Ensure you're working in a well-ventilated area to dissipate any hydrogen gas that might be released. Never smoke or have open flames near a battery. If you're unsure at any point, it's always best to consult a professional. To successfully complete this task, you'll need a few essential tools and materials. Gather a wrench set, typically a 10mm or 13mm for battery terminals, and possibly a larger size for the hold-down clamp. You'll also need a battery terminal brush or wire brush for cleaning, a battery terminal puller, and a battery carrying strap or handle for easier lifting. A wire brush and baking soda solution or battery terminal cleaner will be useful for neutralizing corrosion, and a small amount of dielectric grease for post-installation protection. Let's prepare your vehicle. First, ensure your car is parked on a flat, level surface and engage the parking brake firmly. Turn off the engine and remove the keys from the ignition to prevent any accidental electrical surges or starting the vehicle while you're working. Pop the hood and locate your battery. Depending on your vehicle model, the battery might be easily accessible or require removing an engine cover or air intake components. Take a moment to assess the setup before proceeding. Before touching anything, it's crucial to identify the battery terminals correctly. Car batteries have two terminals: a positive terminal, which is usually larger and marked with a plus sign, often covered with a red cap or boot, and a negative terminal, marked with a minus sign, typically smaller and sometimes covered with a black cap. Always double-check these markings. Getting them mixed up during removal or installation can cause serious damage to your vehicle's electrical system or even personal injury. Now we begin the removal process. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step because it breaks the circuit to the car's chassis, preventing accidental short circuits. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal clamp. Once loose, gently twist and pull the clamp straight up and off the terminal post. Make sure the disconnected cable cannot accidentally touch the battery post or any other metal part of the car by moving it away and securing it. With the negative terminal safely disconnected, it's time to move to the positive terminal. Locate the positive terminal, usually covered by a red cap. Remove the cap if present. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the positive terminal clamp in the same way you did for the negative terminal. Once loose, gently pull the clamp straight up and off the positive terminal post. Again, carefully move this cable away from the battery and ensure it cannot make accidental contact with any metal surfaces. Most car batteries are secured in place by a hold-down clamp or strap to prevent movement during driving. This clamp can be located at the base of the battery, across the top, or sometimes around the sides. Use your wrench or appropriate tool to loosen and then completely remove the hold-down mechanism. Keep all bolts and fasteners organized so you can easily reinstall them later. Ensure the battery is completely free from any securing devices before attempting to lift it. Now, for the physical removal of the old battery. Car batteries are surprisingly heavy, often weighing 30 to 60 pounds or more. Lift with your legs, not your back, to avoid injury. If you have a battery carrying strap or handle, now is the time to use it. If not, grip the battery firmly from the sides and lift it straight up and out of the battery tray. Be careful not to tilt the battery excessively, as this could spill corrosive acid. Place the old battery on a protective surface, away from your work area. With the old battery out, take this opportunity to clean the battery tray and terminal cables. Use a wire brush to scrub away any corrosion or dirt from the battery tray. If you notice any white or blue-green corrosive residue, mix a solution of baking soda and water to neutralize the acid. Apply it, let it fizz, then rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly. Clean the inside of the terminal clamps with a battery terminal brush to ensure good electrical contact for the new battery. Before installing your new battery, it's a good practice to inspect it. Check for any signs of damage, such as cracks in the casing or leaks. Ensure the terminals are clean and free of debris. Verify that the new battery is the correct size and type for your vehicle, matching the specifications recommended by your car manufacturer. Most batteries will have a manufacturing date, so you can confirm it's a fresh battery. Carefully lower the new battery into the clean battery tray. Position it correctly, ensuring the positive and negative terminals are oriented in the same direction as the original battery. This prevents any confusion during the terminal connection phase. Make sure the battery sits snugly and evenly in its designated spot. Avoid dropping or jarring the battery during installation, as this can cause internal damage. Now we begin the installation of the new battery, and the connection order is the reverse of removal. Always start by connecting the positive terminal first. Take the positive cable, remove any protective caps, and place the clamp firmly onto the positive terminal post. Using your wrench, tighten the nut securely. Ensure the connection is snug and doesn't wiggle, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the terminal post. Next, connect the negative terminal. Take the negative cable and place the clamp firmly onto the negative terminal post. Once again, using your wrench, tighten the nut securely. Check that both terminal connections are tight and that the cables are properly seated. A good, tight connection is crucial for proper electrical flow and to prevent issues like intermittent power or charging problems. Once the terminals are securely connected, reinstall the battery hold-down clamp or strap. Tighten it firmly so the battery is securely fastened in the tray and cannot move or shift during driving. A loose battery can vibrate, causing internal damage or even a short circuit. Ensure all the original fasteners and bolts are used and tightened appropriately to keep the battery stable. Finally, it's time for post-installation checks. Replace any covers or air intake components you removed to access the battery. Start your car and check if it cranks strongly and starts without hesitation. Verify that all your vehicle's electronics, such as the radio, clock, and dashboard lights, are functioning correctly. You may need to reset your radio presets or clock. Apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to the terminals to prevent corrosion. Congratulations, you've successfully removed and installed the car battery safely.